Hey, it's Miguel, and I just wanted to talk about the making of this video um, because I know I'm going to get lots of comments saying that this was an illegal flight. Just want to go over some points. First off, I used for this video I used my Mavic Mini 2. If we look at the NRC website that shows where you can and can't fly drones in the St. John's area, most of St. John's you can't fly drones. If you switch over to micro drones, which is like the Mini 2, then you're okay to fly most of these areas, but you got to be really careful. Meanwhile, over here at Cape Spear, it's perfectly okay to fly around here. The only issue is you're not really supposed to fly from or land on Parks Canada land. Okay, so I didn't want to annoy the people at the Cape Spear National Historic Site, so I found the map of their site, which is right here, and found the boundaries. So I was going to take off from outside the park here and here, and that's really what I did. There's 4 flights in total in this video. I tried over here, walked this trail, tried over here, but I could not fight the wind, and I could barely get over here. It was not very good, so not much a useful video from there. But taking off from here, I could fly all the way over here, no problem, and then back again, which is basically what I did 3 or 4 times. Did not take off or land in Parks Canada land, and I avoided flying over Parks Canada land as much as possible, keeping over the water just in case. And hey, worst case scenario, the drone falls out of the sky, I'll fall in the ocean, not on people. So I try to keep the flights as short as possible, recharging the batteries in the car in between flights. So I did this back and forth a few times. I used a spotter to look for aircraft because even though it's perfectly okay to fly here, as you can see, the airport's not too far away, and there's always aircraft, including low-flying aircraft. Every 20 or 30 minutes something is flying over, so I didn't want to be in the air when that happened. So I had a spotter with me, and she basically her only job was to look for aircraft. Anyway, so we took off from around here, I think, a couple of times. Right. And then just flew over here. And that's what you see in the video. Perfectly legal. No drones were hurt in the making of this video, and no laws were broken. There we go. So, according to that map, the boundary for the park is right around here. And if you follow this path, there's some great spots here. that you can just fly straight across. And like this, you get a pretty nice flight. Anyway, that's just my rambling explanation. Mavic Mini 2 did not take off or land in Parks Canada land, avoided flying over it as much as possible, kept really short flights, maintaining visual contact, right? I didn't want to fly too far out because then I wouldn't be able to see it. Here on this picture, you can sort of see where I am down here. Like I said, I tried from over here, but didn't get good luck. I think if the winds were in another direction, I think this would have been even better, even cooler. Being able to fly like this, but instead ended up doing this. Always have a spotter with you because aircraft just sneak up on you, and sometimes they're really low flying, and you don't want to be in the air, even though it's a Mini 2. It's not going to hurt aircraft. You don't want to be that guy. And then don't fly over people and don't annoy people, which I didn't. I don't think anybody even noticed that I was flying that day. All right, thanks.